2, 3. Smile. Perfect. Now can we look to our left? There we have it. Ang babaeng magdadala ng puso sa kwento at buhay ni Carmela Cardenita. Thank you so much, Now, take your seat. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Perfect. Now can we look to our left? One, two, three, smile. And 1, 2, 3. Smile. Perfect. How about to the center, please?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo ako ngayong hapon. And of course, welcome to the official launching of the TV series I Love You Since 1892. Ready na ba kayo? Sabay-sabay natin yung paglaban ng ating pagmamahal.
There we go, Joseph. Stay company dyan for a quick photo opportunity. There we go. Leandra Flores is finally here. Of course, Joseph Marco, ang ginoong hindi ka susuko. Maraming salamat, Joseph, na kinahag your seat. Thank you so much.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Isang magulan na panahon dahil dito at nagpapasalamat kami na nandito kayo para samahan kami dito sa Love Since 1892. Sana happy kayo sa
Happy sila mo dyan ang photo opportunity mo na sa for the cameras bago tayo patuloy. Nandito na si Juanito Alfonso Gerald Alfonso. Maraming salamat dyan na dyan ang receipt.
Notes up here. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Last one. Alright.